Welcome back to the Dream Cars, your ultimate destination for everything fast, futuristic, and unforgettable on four wheels. And today, we're diving into a name you've probably heard before, but like you've never seen it. Meet the all-new 2026 Hyundai Tucson, reimagined, redefined, and ready to shake up the SUV game. This isn't just a refresh. This is Hyundai flexing its muscles in design, technology, and efficiency, all in one sleek, compact SUV. From first glance, the 2026 Tucson commands attention. The sharp, geometric body lines give it a futuristic edge, while the wide grille and pixel-inspired DRLs add a bold attitude that stands out from every angle. Under the hood, Hyundai gives you options. Whether you're going for the turbocharged 1.6-liter hybrid or the more powerful plug-in hybrid variant, you're getting a perfect mix of performance and efficiency. And guess what? It's not just about horsepower, it's about how smart this power is. Expect smooth transitions, responsive torque, and seriously impressive fuel economy. We're talking over 35 mpg combined in some trims. Inside, the Tucson takes a leap forward. The 2026 model ditches traditional buttons for a fully digital interface. A stunning 12.3-inch curved display stretches across the dash, blending the digital instrument cluster with the infotainment system. And yes, it supports both wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Finally, the vibe inside is premium, but not pretentious. Soft touch materials, customizable ambient lighting, and redesigned seats that look as good as they feel. Hyundai has even pushed for more sustainability in their materials, making this not only a smart ride but a conscious one. Now let's talk space. Hyundai listened to the people, and it shows. The rear seats recline, cargo space is generous, and there's even more underfloor storage than before. Road trips, handled. Grocery runs, too easy. In safety, Hyundai isn't playing around. The Tucson 2026 packs in all the SmartSense tech, blind spot view monitors, lane follow assist, adaptive cruise, and now, the semi-autonomous highway driving assist too. It's like having a co-pilot who never gets distracted. Let's not forget the tech perks. Remote smart parking assist. Yep, the Tucson can park itself while you stand outside with the key. Digital key too. Unlock and start your car with your phone. And yes, your phone can even be your car key for someone else, no physical key needed. Want a little more luxury? The XRT trim brings rugged flair with unique wheels, black cladding, and off-road inspired touches. Or go full modern with the ultimate trim, panoramic sunroof, Bose premium sound, ventilated seats, the works. Hyundai's goal with the 2026 Tucson is clear: make a compact SUV that feels anything but compact. It's bold, tech-savvy, efficient, and safe, and starting just under $30,000, it's hard not to see the value packed inside every inch. So, is the 2026 Hyundai Tucson a dream car? For anyone looking to blend style, substance, and smart mobility, yeah, it just might be. Whether you're cruising through the city, venturing off-grid, or just trying to make your commute feel a little less ordinary, this Tucson delivers. Thanks for riding with us here at the Dream Cars. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, would you drive the 2026 Tucson? Or are you waiting for the N line? Either way, the future's looking sharp.